Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error not enough memory 0x80070008 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Not enough storage is available to process this command. Such type of error message if you facing when you try to update your system, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to Windows search and type disk cleanup and open disk cleanup in your system. Select the drive you want to clean up, basically where your program files exists, C drive, and click on OK. A new window will open, disk cleanup for Windows C drive. Make the check against all these caches and temporary files, recycle bin, thumbnails. Make the check against all these options and click on OK from the bottom of the page. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Click on delete files. Basically, it is a memory related issues. When you try to update your Windows or take a backup, try to backup your system, then such type of error appear. The second workaround is right click on a start button and choose settings. You may press Windows key plus I shortcut key, and here from the left sidebar go to system, and from the right side look for the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot. Here choose other troubleshooters, and here run Windows update troubleshoot. Click on run. A new window will open. Follow on screen instruction to complete the Windows update troubleshooting in your system. Wait for some time, get help page appear. Here searching for self-help articles and choose as per your choice. I can't download, install or uninstall an update. I installed an update, but that update has caused a problem. Choose as per your choice. Follow on screen instruction to complete the Windows update troubleshoot process. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system. And here go to Windows Defender Firewall or any other security app you have, third-party app installed in your system, then turn off temporarily. Click on turn on or off and turn off Windows Defender Firewall or any third-party antivirus app if you have installed, and click on OK. After your problem is resolved, don't forget to turn on third-party app or Windows Defender Firewall for security reason. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to time and language. Thereafter go to right side and here choose language and region. And if you have any unnecessary unwanted language pack you have added, then simply remove it by click on 3 horizontal dot against this language pack and choose remove. If you have added more language pack that is not necessary or unwanted, then remove that language pack. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. In command prompt Windows, first execute these three DISM tool one by one. DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. And once successfully execution of these three DISM tool, execute the command SFC scan now. It will scan your PC for any corrupted or bad system files. So SFC scan now and press enter and let window complete the scanning process. Wait till 100% verification complete. The next workaround is on the same command prompt Windows, run these Windows update components. Execute all these commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time, and thereafter execute these Windows update components. All these Windows update components command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there. So execute all these Windows update component to reset your Windows update components in your system. After that, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your error code resolved or not. If not, try to download your Windows latest update manually. To download manually update, open your Google Chrome browser or any other browser, and here in search field type Microsoft Update Catalog. Here choose Microsoft Update Catalog, and on Microsoft Update Catalog window, in search field type your KB update which you want to download and install and having facing error code 8. Type here and click on search and manually download and install Windows Update manually.